umaga. So this is Broker Nick and I'm about to show you a 2-bedroom single attached unit dito sa Acoya in Mexico, Pampanga. So this 2-bedroom unit has a minimum lot area of 91 square meters and a floor area of 59 square meters. So meron siyang 2-bedroom, 2 toilet and baths, and a carport. Ayan, so upon seeing yung design niya, it's a fusion of more of a contemporary Asian design and a classic design. Kasi tignan nyo, meron pa siyang ventanilla. So yung purpose ng ventanilla is para ma-regulate yung pasok ng heat and lighting dun sa second floor, dun sa mga rooms. So pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan, single attached unit. So this will be your car garage. Ayan. Then upon entrance, ayan, so as you can see, complete turnover deliverables po ito Meron po itong floor tiles, may wall paint na po upon turnover, may partition na, may ceiling na rin po sa taas. Lilipat ka na lang. Yan, so this is the living area. Yan, so say hello Alexa.
Hello.
Yan, then ito po yung dining area natin, the kitchen area, and here is your access sa service area. Yan, and showing you the current construction update dito in Acoya in Mexico, Pampanga. Yan, so ongoing construction na po sila. Yan, then let's go. So here's the first bathroom. So upon turnover, meron kang half level tiles, complete ka ng bathroom accessories. Ayan, so may lavatory, may toilet bowl, may shower. So, kompleto na po yan. Then, going to the second floor. So, ang handle po natin, yan, made up of metal. Then, ang floor po natin is vinyl tiles po pag sa second floor. Okay, so this is the second bathroom. So, same deliverables, half-level tiles, complete bathroom accessories. Yan. So, let's go po sa first bedroom. So, a starting family, sobrang soktong unit na to kasi 2-bedroom lang, hindi ganong kalaki, hindi ganong kaliit. So, sakto lang if you're a starting family. So, napakaganda nito. First bedroom and this is the second bedroom. Yan. Pwede ka maglagay ng bunk bed, cabinets, lahat, aircon. Yan po. So hopefully nagustuhan niyo yung 2-bedroom unit dito sa Acoya in Mexico, Pampanga. So if you're interested, just contact me dun sa details na nasa baba. Thank you so much!